This is the Kia K5 GT, the Korean sedan that's out to disrupt the segment and shake up your expectations. Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into everything that makes the K5 GT a serious contender against performance sedans with way bigger price tags. If you love cars that punch above their weight, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into one of the most exciting sedans on the market, the Kia K5 GT. Design and exterior styling. First impressions matter, and the Kia K5 GT doesn't play it safe. Up front, you get Kia's signature tiger nose grille, flanked by a dramatic lighting setup with zigzag LED daytime running lights. The aggressive lower air intakes and sculpted hood lines scream performance from every angle. From the side, the fastback silhouette gives it a sleek, coupe-like appearance. The GT rides on exclusive 19-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance Pirelli P0 tires. Around back, a gloss black rear diffuser and quad exhaust tips finish off the sporty look. This isn't just a family sedan. This is a statement. The K5 GT tells the world that you don't need a German badge to look premium and fast. Powertrain and performance. Now let's talk power. The heart of the K5 GT is a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, cranking out an impressive 290 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. That's more power than a BMW 330i or a Honda Accord 2.0T. Paired to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the K5 GT launches from 0 to 60 in just 5.4 seconds. That's quick. And the best part? This isn't some front-wheel drive burnout machine. The electronic limited slip differential helps manage that torque, keeping power planted through tight corners. You've got drive modes, including a customizable Sport Plus mode, that tighten up the steering, quicken shifts, and even adjust throttle response. The K5 GT is no track car, but for spirited driving, it delivers way more than you'd expect from a Kia. Interior and technology. Step inside the K5 GT, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that mixes premium with performance. Flat-bottom steering wheel? Check. Sport bucket seats with GT badging and contrast stitching? Absolutely. You get a 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, although only the smaller 8-inch screen allows wireless connectivity. The digital instrument cluster isn't fully customizable, but it's sharp, responsive, and informative. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a 12-speaker Bose premium audio system round out a cabin that's just as comfortable as it is athletic. Asterisk. Ride quality and handling. Here's where things get interesting. The K5 GT isn't just fast in a straight line. It actually handles well. The chassis is stiff and composed, the suspension is sport-tuned, and the steering is direct, even if it lacks a little feedback. For daily driving, the ride is firm but not punishing. You'll feel bumps, but it's nothing unbearable. A fair trade for the extra cornering ability. Kia's really found a sweet spot between comfort and sport. Asterisk. Features, safety, and value. The K5 GT also scores high when it comes to tech and safety. You get Kia's full suite of driver assist features, like forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and even highway driving assist, which combines lane centering with adaptive cruise for semi-autonomous driving on the highway. All of this tech, combined with a starting price around $31,000, makes the K5 GT a total value monster. Compare that to a similarly equipped BMW, Audi, or Acura, and you're saving thousands while getting just as much, if not more, performance. Asterisk. Downsides and competitors. Of course, no car is perfect. The K5 GT is front-wheel drive only, which means torque steer can still show up if you're heavy on the throttle. And while the 8-speed DCD is quick, it's not always as smooth as a traditional automatic in city driving. Its closest rivals? The Honda Accord 2.0T, Toyota Camry TRD, and the Hyundai Sonata N-Line, which shares the same engine. Each has its own strengths, but the K5 GT arguably looks the best and feels the most complete out of the bunch. Asterisk. So, is the Kia K5 GT the ultimate sports sedan? Maybe not. But is it the best bang for your buck performance sedan you can buy new today? That's a strong yes. With its bold styling, turbocharged power, premium features, and everyday usability, the K5 GT is the definition of a modern sleeper hit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car reviews.